What's up, guys? We are back and we're going to go through Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. We have our awesome special guest, Ryder, back. Ryder, are you excited to play for us again?
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, we're excited to have you play. We're going to have you play part A of the song, and I'm going to actually jam with you as well.
Sure.
All right, let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice, dude. That was flawless. Now let's take a look at how to play part A of Seven Nation Army. First things first, take your first finger and put it on the 5th string, 7th fret. 5th string, 7th fret. And you're going to hit that twice. Next, you're going to slide up to the 10th fret, right there. That's why there's that slash looking mark on your tab. It just means you're sliding up with your finger from the 7th fret note to the 10th fret note. Then we're going back down to the 7th fret, 5th fret, 3rd, 2nd. Let's try that again. It's 2 more times. Seven, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. Lastly, we're going to play 2 power chords and finish off this section. We're going to go to the top string, 3rd fret, and then we're going to take the ring finger and put it on the 5th fret, 5th string, then pinky right below that other finger, on the 4th string, 5th fret. Looks like this, and then it sounds like this. Take a moment just to play those notes individually, just like that. Try to get the sound out of them the best you can. This is also something you'll probably need to work on your own time, just to really get these power chords down. Okay, so we're going to hit that 8 times on a down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try that really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now we're going to slide up that whole shape. 1, 2. Now we're on the 5th fret 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that last part is like this. 3rd fret power chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go back into the intro. This is it, full tempo. Normal speed here. There it is. Now we're going to move on to part B. Okay, starting off, you guys are going to take your first finger and go to the 5th string, 7th fret, just like part A. This part doesn't change. Right? Then after that, there is a slight difference at the end. When you get here, we're actually going to go 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. So that part in total sounds like this. We're looking at the very top line of part B. Just like that. And now you're just going to repeat it one more time. Then we're going to go straight into the power chords again, right here. And this part here of the song is technically the chorus part of the song, which is where it gets very big, the drums are heavy, the electric guitar is going. So you have the introduction riff, which we just learned, and that's repeated several times throughout the song. And then whenever they get to the transitionary chorus part, which is what we're learning now, that is the chorus technically. So it's just this again. I'll play it one more time. And there you have it. That's part B to Seven Nation Army. Hope you had fun learning it. All right, let's talk about the 3 levels of mastery for Seven Nation Army. For level 1, play. Go ahead and practice the song 15 minutes a day for 1 week. For level 2, explore. Pull up the music video for the White Stripes song and really check it out and get inspired. It's a super cool video and I think you'll love it. For level 3, while you have that music video playing, try playing to the song and getting into the timing of it. Keep practicing it and playing it over and over until you're used to that timing and you're not slowing down. All right, guys, congratulations on finishing the course. I'm sure you're already a guitar master. If you're still learning, be sure to check out the guitar tabs and keep playing them over and over again. You also have those 3 levels of mastery in every lesson to check out and try to get through. Awesome, guys. I look forward to teaching you again soon.